Alright, going to change the battery in this thing, and the screw, see if I can get up there where you can see it, does not have any more. It used to be a Phillips head, but you can't get it out. It's just all watered out. So what I'm going to have to do, this is what anybody would have to do, because it won't come out no matter what. What we're going to do, and what you'll have to do, is drill that head of that screw off. Then it'll come open, and hopefully you can get a hold of the screw and pull it out with some needle nose pliers or something like that. Maybe you can get a hold of it. If not, leave it in there. You don't have to have that screw for this latch to latch and it stay shut. So let's drill it out right quick. And you got to get a drill bit the same as size. See if we can get you down there. You got to get a drill bit the same size as the head of that screw, and that's as close as I could come. So alright, let's cut it on a little lower and see if we can't drill it out without making too much of a mess. We're getting in there. Just a little bit on this side, and I don't know if it's going to get that. Let's see if I can. As you can see, it got all but just a little bit on the on one side, so it's still hanging on. Still hanging on there. I don't think I'm doing it any good, because if I'd have gone just a little bit bigger, it would have gotten it, I think. There we go. I think we're close. No, it's still hanging. Let's try. No. It's that little piece of metal right around there that's hanging on to it now. And that's it. Alright, I think. No, it's getting the plastic instead of the metal. Is the problem. So now we have to go, if you get a bigger drill bit, it's just going to make the plastic bigger. So what I'm going to try to do is put this on one side and see if I can get it to Yeah, it's gonna move my. It's gonna move this. I think we're close. Yeah, it came off anyway. There we go. And that is still there. So let's see if we can get that out now. Alright, got a little needle nose pliers. See if we can get that screw out of there. I don't know if we're turning it or anything. Thing is in there. No. I don't think we're turning it at all. Maybe. I think we're getting it out of there. Slowly but surely. There we go. Finally came out. Now then, we can replace the battery and just click that back in, and it should stay in. We'll see. Oh yeah, there's a latch. But we got to replace the battery first. Anyway, wasn't the best way, but we got it out. Now we can change the battery. I guess that's it for now.